Wireless earbuds versus wired earphones, which is better? Title: Wireless earbuds versus wired earphones, which is better? Introduction. In the realm of audio devices, technological advancements have led to an intriguing debate: wireless earbuds versus wired earphones. With the growing popularity of wireless earbuds, it is essential to explore the advantages and disadvantages of both options. This article aims to shed light on the subject, helping you make an informed decision about which is better suited to your needs. Wireless earbuds: the freedom of cordless convenience. Wireless earbuds, also known as true wireless earbuds, have gained significant popularity in recent years. These sleek and compact devices are entirely cordless, offering the user ultimate convenience. And freedom of movement. Here are some key benefits of wireless earbuds. 1. No tangles or cables. Without a doubt, the absence of cables is one of the most significant advantages of wireless earbuds. Say goodbye to the annoyance of tangled cords or accidentally yanking wire while engaged in physical activities such as exercising or running. 2. Ease of use. Wireless earbuds are incredibly user-friendly, allowing for hassle-free pairing with various devices via Bluetooth technology. They often come with touch controls or smart features, enabling easy music playback control and even phone call management without having to reach for your device. 3. Enhanced portability. Thanks to their compact design, wireless earbuds are highly portable. They can easily fit in your pocket or a small carrying case, making them perfect for on-the-go use or TR. Avling. Despite these benefits, it is essential to consider the limitations of wireless earbuds as well. 1. Battery life. The primary concern with wireless earbuds is battery life. As they rely on an internal battery, they need to be charged regularly. Depending on the model, the battery life can vary, with some earbuds offering a few hours of playback time and others providing up to several days of usage with charging cases. 2. Sound quality. While many wireless earbuds in the market offer impressive audio quality, some users argue that wired earphones still provide better, more consistent sound performance. This discrepancy may vary depending on the specific model or brand. 3. Potential connectivity issues. Bluetooth connectivity can sometimes lead to inconsistent performance, with occasional audio drops or interruptions. However, this is becoming less of an issue with advancements in Bluetooth technology. Let's delve into the advantages and drawbacks of wired earphones. 1. Superior sound quality. For many audiophiles, wired earphones remain the gold standard in terms of sound quality. The wired connection allows for a more stable audio experience, offering purer and more accurate sound reproduction. 2. No need for charging. Unlike wireless earbuds, wired earphones do not require charging as they draw power directly from the audio device they are connected to. This eliminates the need for worrying about battery life or interruptions during usage. 3. Wider availability and lower cost. Wired earphones are easily accessible and available in a wide range of options, from budget-friendly to high-end models. Additionally, their popularity in Lens have contributed to their affordability compared to some wireless earbuds. However, wired earphones are not without their limitations. 1. Tangled cables. Dealing with tangled or cumbersome cables can be frustrating. It may take time to untangle them, especially if they have been stored for a while. Additionally, cables can sometimes get caught on objects, causing earphones to be unintentionally yanked out of your ears. 2. Restricted mobility. The physical connection limits your range of motion. Engaging in activities such as running or exercising can become slightly inconvenient due to the need to keep your audio device nearby. Wireless earbuds and wired earphones have sparked a debate in the audio device industry. The advantages and disadvantages of both options need to be explored to make an informed decision. This article aims to assist in comparing wireless earbuds and wired earphones to determine which is better suited to individual needs. Wireless earbuds, also known as true wireless earbuds, have gained popularity due to their cordless convenience. These devices offer freedom of movement and simplicity. Key benefits of wireless earbud include the absence of tangling cables, ease of use, and enhanced portability. Without cables, wireless earbuds eliminate the frustration of tangled cords and accidental yanking during physical activities like exercise or running. Moreover, their compact design makes them highly portable, fitting easily into pockets or small carrying cases, making them perfect for on-the-go use and travel. However, wireless earbuds do have limitations. Battery life is a primary concern, as they rely on internal batteries that require regular charging. Different models offer varying playback times, from a few hours to several days with the help of charging cases. Some argue that wired earphones provide better and more consistent sound quality, despite many wireless earbuds offering impressive audio. Performance. Sound quality may vary depending on the specific model or brand. Additionally, Bluetooth connectivity can sometimes lead to inconsistent performance with occasional audio drops or interruptions. Nonetheless, advancements in Bluetooth technology are reducing these issues. Wired earphones have long been favored by audio enthusiasts and professionals due to their reliable and consistent audio experience. The advantages of wired earphones include superior sound quality, no need for charging, wider availability, and lower cost. Wired earphones offer stable audio experiences, providing purer and more accurate sound reproduction. They draw power directly from the kit audio device, eliminating the need to worry about battery life or interruptions during usage. They are widely available in a range of options, from budget-friendly choices to high-end models. Popularity and prevalence of wired earphones have contributed to their affordability compared to some wireless earbuds. However, wired earphones also have drawbacks. Dealing with tangled and cumbersome cables can be frustrating, requiring time and effort to untangle them, especially if they have been stored for a while. Additionally, cables can get caught on objects, accidentally pulling the earphones out of your ears. Another limitation is restricted mobility, since the physical connection limits the range of activities like running or exercising can become slightly inconvenient as you need to keep your audio device nearby. Wireless earbuds and wired earphones have been subject to a heated debate in the audio device industry. Both options have their advantages and disadvantages, and it is essential to explore them in order. Dare to make an informed decision. This article aims to assist in comparing wireless earbuds and wired earphones to determine which is better suited to individual needs. Wireless earbuds, also known as true wireless earbuds, have gained popularity due to their cordless convenience. These devices offer the freedom of movement and simplicity. One of the significant advantages of wireless earbuds is the absence of tangling cables. Say goodbye to the frustrating experience of dealing with tangled cords or accidentally yanking the wire while engaged in physical activity, such as exercising or running. Moreover, wireless earbuds are incredibly user-friendly. They can easily be paired with various devices via Bluetooth technology, making the process hassle-free. Many wireless earbuds come with touch controls or smart features, allowing for easy music playback control and even phone call management without having to reach for your device. Additionally, wireless earbuds are highly portable due to their compact design. They can easily fit in your pocket or a small carrying case, making them perfect for on-the-go use or traveling. However, it is important to consider the limitations of wireless earbuds as well. The primary concern is battery life, as they rely on an internal battery. Wireless earbuds need to be charged regularly, and the battery life can vary depending on the model. Some earbuds offer a few hours of playback time, while others provide up to several days of usage with the help of charging cases. Another aspect to consider is sound quality. While many wireless earbuds in the market offer impressive audio quality, some users argue that wired earphones still provide better, more consistent sound performance.